October 20th, 2020 Daily Math Review. All right, so our problem is over here. It says identify the statements as either true or false. So I pulled from these problems the most important parts that we can use our distributive property and see if we get what they come up with. So this first part, the first one, it says we have 4 times that quantity of 5 plus 8. Does that equal 4 times 5 plus 4 times 8? Let's take a look. So we're going to take this circle. We're going to circle the 4 because it's in front of the parentheses. So I pulled it out for us over here. The first arrow goes to that 5. So it would be 4 times 5. I'm going to type that underneath it. So you have 4 times 5. And then we're going to keep that addition symbol. Remember, we're keeping that. There we go. So keep that plus. And then we have 4 times 8 because that second arrow, I guess I should make it a little bit bigger. All right, so we have that 4 times 5 is the first one. And then that second one is 4 times 8. So I'm going to go ahead and put that arrow there. So we have that 4 times 5 right here. And then 4 plus 4 times 8. Is that true or false? 4 times 5. Remember, this dot means times. So 4 times 5, yes, plus, yes. 4 times 8, yep. So that one is going to be true. So I'm going to place that check mark in that box there. All right, 6 times the quantity of 7 plus 8 and end quantity. Does that equal 42 plus 8? Well, let's take a look. Let's circle this number in front of the 6. Actually, I think I need to make this bigger, remember? Okay, there we go. We could do that. Okay, so we have the 6 circled. The 6 is going to be distributed to that 7. Okay, so 6 times 7 is 42, right? So the first part here is, okay, we have that 6 times 7. Keep that plus. And then the next part is 6 times 8. Alrighty. 6 times 8. Now, oh man, I gotta make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, now, when we have this, what is 6 times 7? Come on. No. All right, it does not want to cooperate. Here we go. Okay, so now we have 6 times 7, which equals 42. Keep that plus. Well, and then we have 6 times 8, or 8 times 6 is going to be 48. So 42 plus, So this is only plus 8. So they just rewrote that. They forgot to distribute. So that's going to be false. So that 8 is incorrect. I'm going to mark that red because that 8 is incorrect. So that's going to be false. All right, last one. 9 times the quantity of 5 plus 6. Does that equal 45 plus 54? Let's take a look. All right, so I'm going to make this bigger so we have plenty of room. All right, we're going to circle that 9 in front of the parentheses. Then we are going to distribute that 9 to the 5. That means 9 times 5. We're going to keep that symbol in the middle, so that addition symbol, and then we'll have 9 times the second number in the parentheses, or the second term, which is going to be that 6. So we have, I'm going to go down here, 9 times 5, keep that plus, and then we said we have 9 times 6. Why is this always like, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to have to change that over. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, now what we have, come on. My goodness gracious. Okay, so now what we have, 9 times 5, well, that equals 45. Keep that plus. 9 times 6 is going to be 54. Is that the same thing? 45 plus 54? 45 plus 54? Yes, it is, so that's also going to be true. Awesome, awesome. We are done with our DMR. Great job.